We know about our institutes working in villages and cities.
Yes. So we rule our country, right? Why we rule our country? Because our country, India, is a democratic country. Okay, where the people means we all the citizens of India are independent. They have a right to vote. Yes, right. What do we have, beta? We have right to vote, right? That is why it is said that we rule our country. Okay, our country has become independent. What has become independent? Our country, right, has become independent. When did it get independence, beta? When did our country achieve
Ma'am,
independence?
15 August.
And which year? Anyone remembers?
Yes,
Last,
ma'am,
last to last.
1945, 1947.
Yes, very good. Who answered this?
Ma'am, I require आगे question.
Yes, Nakul, absolutely right. 1947, we got independence from the Britishers, right? Yes. And what do we celebrate it on 26th January? Who will say me? This also I explained you.
Republic Day.
And why do we celebrate it?
Ma'am, because on this day we got mm, mm, what don't know.
Our constitution was enforced. Remember I explained you last class? Better?
Yes, ma'am, Constitution of India came into the force.
Yes, that is why we celebrate 26th January. How could you forget this, Peter? Again and again, I have to explain this. You have to note it down somewhere. Chalo fast.
Ma'am, in my speech, this dialogue is in my speech.
Okay, fine, very good. Then how could you forget? 26th January is celebrated on account of our Republic Day was enforced on that day. Okay, why do we celebrate it? Because our Constitution was enforced. Okay, Constitution मतलब हमारा संविधान. Okay, so सारे rules and regulations उस दिन से follow होने लगे हैं. Okay, that is why we celebrate 26th January. Okay, so beta, we rule our country and our country has become independent. What has it become, beta? It has become independent. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Yes. And that is why, beta, as our country has become independent, and you all know that India is a very vast country. Yes or no? Yes or no, beta? Beta, can you listen me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Yes, why people don't
Yes,
reply?
ma'am.
Yes. So our country has become independent, and India is a very vast country. What it is? It is very vast country. The population is also very more, much more, right? Okay. So, beta, in such a vast country, it
Yes, ma'am.
requires to rule properly, right? So, at different level, different administrations are formed. What are formed, beta? Different administrations are formed at different
Administration.
level, and yes, and those administration work for the betterment of the people. Okay, yes, understood. Now we will
Yes, ma'am.
see our government, how our government has formed, right? So our government has formed, and panchayats have came into existence. What has came into existence, beta? Panchayats. What has came into existence?
Panchayat. Panchayats.
Yes, our panchayats have come into existence. Okay, so work of people. What beta? Work of people has become easier, right? So it is written here. So work of people in local area can be easy, right or wrong? Can be easy, right? So we know about our
Yes, ma'am.
institutes working in villages and cities. So अब हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? Now we will see all these institutes. How do they work? Okay, okay, boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you listen me? Yes. So now we will see how these institutions work. Okay. Yes, Natalie, revise it once this slide.
Yes, ma'am. We rule our country. Our India has become independent. Our government has formed. Panchayats have come into existence to work of people to work so work of people in local area can become easy. We know about our institutes working in villages and cities.
Yes, understood till here, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahad is there or yes? Ahad is there.
Yes,
Ahad,
ma'am.
did you
He is there.
understand? Ahad, did you understand till here? Otherwise, those who are present, did you get it till here? So I'll move to the next slide.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So panchayats are working. Okay, why are panchayats working? Panchayats are working to solve our local problems. Why are they working, beta? Panchayats, my dear student, reply. Why are panchayats working? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are panchayats working? Panchayats are working to solve our problems. What are they working for? To solve our the
To solve
oh
our problems.
yes, very good. To solve our problems. And beta, they work to solve the problem speedily, okay? Not slowly, but speedily, right? So that people can be satisfied, right? Yes. Panchayat system exists in our country. This system is of three tiers. What it is? Of three tiers, okay? In which institutes like Gram Panchayat, okay? In which these institutes are more important. Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat are included. What is this system about, beta? Of three tiers. What is it about? Three tiers. What it is about?
Three tires.
What it is? Yes, three tiers. Okay, means what? In the first tier is of Gram Panchayat, second is of Taluka Panchayat, and the third is of Zilla Panchayat. Okay, clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
See, this is one. Okay, what is this? This is
Tire.
one Gram Panchayat.
Gram
What it is?
Panchayat.
Gram Panchayat.
Gram
Okay,
Panchayat.
okay. So I write GP here. Gram Panchayat. Okay. Then the second tier is of Taluka Panchayat. What it is? What it is?
Taluka Panchayat.
Taluka Panchayat. First is
Taluka
Gram Panchayat.
Panchayat.
Yes. First is Gram Panchayat. Then is the Taluka Panchayat. What it is? What it is, beta? Taluka Panchayat. And the
Taluka
third one.
Panchayat.
Yes. And the
Third
third
one
one.
is
Zilla Panchayat.
Zilla Panchayat.
Okay. And this one is
Taluka Panchayat.
okay, and this is Gram Panchayat. See, this is called the three-tier Panchayat. This is Gram Panchayat. Okay, now this Gram Panchayat is the first tier. Okay, understood? Then this is the Taluka Panchayat. Okay, with the green color. Okay, This is the second tier. Okay. And the third one is of Zilla Panchayat. What it is, beta? It is
जिला पंचायत.
the Zilla Panchayat. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Now you say me, okay? Which will come, okay? Which is the first tier? First tier is what?
ग्राम पंचायत.
Yes, very good. Gram Panchayat, okay?
पंचायत.
Then this one?
तालुका पंचायत. तालुका
Second,
पंचायत.
yes, second is Taluka Panchayat, okay? And the
तालुका.
third one is,
जिला पंचायत.
yes, very good. Zilla, and this is Taluka, okay? Clear? Now, this system of our panchayat, that is Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat, is called the three-tier system. What is it called? Three-tier system. What is it called,
Three
beta?
tier system. Three tier.
Yes.
Three
It
tier
is
system.
called the three. Yes. Tier system of our panchayat. Of our what, beta? Panchayat. Is it clear? Three-tier
Panchayat.
system
Panchayat.
of our panchayat. Right? Is it clear? Clear or
Yes,
not?
ma'am. Clear.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Now, what it? Yes. Now, the panchayat system exists
Yes,
in our
ma'am. Clear.
country. Yes, panchayat system exists in our country. Okay. This system is of three tiers. How much tiers it is? Three tiers. Okay. Which in which
Three.
institutes like Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat are included. What all are included, beta? As I showed you the figure in my whiteboard. Did you see in the whiteboard? Three. Gram
जिला
Panchayat. Yes, Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat, and Zilla Panchayat. Okay. Now in Gram Panchayat, for villages and municipality or municipal corporation works to manage cities. Okay. Now, where there is more population, municipality or municipal corporation in cities work. What does it work there? Municipality or municipal corporation. Okay. These institutions are very, very, very important for all of us. Why are they important? For the proper administration and better work is done with the help of representative of people. Various parts are made on the basis of population. Okay, now see, 1 minute. See my whiteboard. Okay, see, ग्राम पंचायत क्यों बीच में रखते हैं? यू नो बेटा, बिकॉज ग्राम पंचायत का फॉर्मेशन कहाँ होता है? विलेजेस में. कहाँ होता है बेटा? विलेजेस में. कहाँ होता है ग्राम पंचायत बेटा? बेटा, कैन यू लिसन मी?
Yes,
हेलो.
ma'am.
हाँ, ग्राम
Yes,
पंचायत का
ma'am.
ग्राम पंचायत का फॉर्मेशन कहाँ होता है? विलेजेस में.
Village.
कहाँ होता है बेटा? Why village?
Villages
You know
में.
where the population is less. What it is? Population
Population less.
is less. Okay. There this type of panchayats are formed. Okay. Is it clear? Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more thing. Okay. जैसे मैंने बोला अभी जैसे ऐसे just as a gram panchayat is formed where the population is less. Now where is taluka panchayat formed? Where the population, okay, taluka panchayat is formed where the population is more than gram panchayat. Is it clear? Taluka panchayat is formed where the
Yes, ma'am.
population is more than gram panchayat. Okay. Now population is decided according to area. Okay. According to area. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
this is Gram Panchayat. Okay.
Ma'am.
And this is Taluka Panchayat. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Now one more. That is Zilla Panchayat. Okay. Zilla Panchayat is formed where the population is again more than what? More than what?
Taluka panchayat.
Huh?
Taluka.
Zilla Panchayat. Yeah. Yes, where the population is more and more than Taluka Panchayat. Clear? Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now in cities we will see. Cities where population is again more. है ना? Population is more. What will be their form? There will be municipality and municipal corporation. What will be formed, beta? Municipality or municipal corporation to manage cities. Why cities? Cities are according to the population. Again, I say according to the population and the industries development and everything, right? So that in that manner, at different levels, the administration in our country is done. Is it clear till here, boys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So who will read this slide? कौन पढ़ाएगी पंचायत सिस्टम?
Yes, ma'am. I will. Ma'am, second.
Ayaz is there?
Ma'am, read.
Yes, beta, read this slide, which I explain you right now.
Okay.
Read.
Of three towers, which institutes tired, tired, are included, in which for municipality or corporation government. These institutes for all of who represent all people, various parts are areas of population.
Beta, your voice was not clear at all. Anyone else will read?
Second read करो.
Yes, beta. See that your volume comes properly. Nakvi was reading, but his volume was not coming. Yes, read, beta.
Panchayat system. Panchayat system. It's it's in our country.
Beta, you are not audible. You are not audible. Hassan is there?
What can I say?
Yes, who is it? Hello.
Rehan Kobrani.
Yes, Rehan, read beta.
Panchayat system exists in our country. This system is of three tiers in which institutes like Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and Jila Panchayat are included, in which
Included.
Gram Panchayat
Included.
for village and municipality or
Municipal.
municipal
Municipal name. Municipal.
cor- municipal
Hmm.
corporation work to manage cities. The
Which institute?
institutes are very important for all of us. For proper administration, better work is done with the help of respiration
Representatives. Representatives.
representatives of people. Various parts are
Various.
made
Very good.
various part are made on the basis of population.
Yes, absolutely right. What is your name, Rehan?
Gabrani.
Very good, Rehan. You did very well. But did you understand, Rehan, what I explained you? Rehan, did you understand what I explained you, Gabrani Rehan? Rehan Gabrani? Gabrani Rehan? It's Mohammed Rehan. Hello, can you listen me better?
हम लेफ्ट हो गया
Chalo, no problem. Chalo, yes, did you understand all of you?
हम फिर आ गया
Yes, ma'am.
I'm getting no answers from. Yes, okay, chalo, very good. So, this is all exists in our country, okay? And how many tires is it of? How many tires
थ्री
are there in our
Ma'am,
panchayat?
Panchayat. Three.
थ्री
Yes, and which are very good. And which are they?
Gram
ग्राम
Panchayat,
पंचायत
Taluka
Which are
तुलुका
Panchayat, and
those?
Jila
पंचायत
Panchayat.
Very good. Gram panchayat. Then hello. Yes, boys. I cannot
Yes,
get answers.
ma'am.
Which are those? I want to know. Okay, which are these three tires of our panchayat?
Gram Panchayat,
Gram
Taluka Panchayat,
Panchayat,
and
Taluka
Zilla Panchayat.
Yes, very good. And on which basis are they divided? On the basis of what are they divided, beta? On the basis of population, okay? On the basis of
Popular.
population, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. On the basis of population, they are divided, okay, beta? So, what will be in cities where the population is more? Yes, what works to manage cities? Where the population is more in cities area, okay? Beta, hello? Can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not answering?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are not answering? I asked you are present. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Why no
Yes, ma'am.
answers, beta?
Ma'am, I was giving the answers.
You were giving. Okay. Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you understand? Read it once.
Yes, ma'am.
I asked go through it once.
Ma'am, can I repeat again, sir?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Panchayat system exists in our country. This system is of three tiers in which industries like Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and Jilla Panchayat are included, in which Gram Panchayat for villagers and muni, mun,
Municipality,
municipality or
municipal
mun, uh, mun,
corporation.
municipal corporation works to manage cities. These industries are very important for all of us. For proper administration, better work is done with the help of respectives of people.
Yes, understood?
Various yes, ma'am.
Yes. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. Various parts are made on the basis of population.
Understood everyone, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
any doubt till here, anyone?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
Yes, so I'll ask you some questions without showing my screen, okay? Ready to answer?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, what are formed at different
Yes,
levels
ma'am.
in our country? What is formed at different levels
What,
in
ma'am?
our what is formed at to manage different levels in our country? Panchayats are formed. What is